What's going on, guys? Colin with Victory. Check out this 2022 Ram 2500 Tradesman crew cab we just got in. Yes, that's right. Cummins motor. Now, great part about this one, Victory accessory package on there for you already. Running boards, wheel locks, GPS. Of course, we still got to get the bed liner in there. But speaking of which, this one does have a fifth wheel prep group in there. And some nice little towing plugins as well. Of course, four-wheel drive. I like the black bumpers here on the Tradesman. Let you know that you got your nice old work truck. Of course, climbing on in here. This does have the HD vinyl, which is quite nice. And of course, nice, easy to clean work floor on there for you. I know this one's pretty loaded up. Bigger alternator, 8/4 screen, rear wheelhouse liners, Cummins, Snow Chief group. I mean, guys, loaded up for you. Underneath storage compartment as well. Man, I'm really digging this HD leather. This HD vinyl, excuse me. Of course, Ram work grade, let you know right there, but it is quite nice. Seating for 6 up front, which, you know, you still get your console there. Ain't no big deal about that one. Nice little storage cubby there. All our booklets in our console. Our glove box, excuse me. Of course, 2500 Cummins. Beautiful black grill. I'm digging this one. White on black. Of course, we got our nice trailer tow mirrors. They will flip up for you. No big deal. Climbing on in here. 16 miles, brand new truck, of course. Can't forget about that. In-dash cluster display right there. That'll cycle through everything up top in there that you need to know. Voice recognition software, accept call. Over to the right, cruise control. That's a big deal nowadays. And our gear limiter there. Of course, right there's our gear lever. Of course, start, push button start for that. Nice little storage cubby right here. 2 USBs, 2 Type-Cs, auxiliary cable input right there for you. And 4-wheel drive right there on the floor, baby. Just like old times, nothing super special there. 8.4 radio screen here. Factory navigation using TomTom. That's Uconnect 5 now. So with that being said, you guys do pick up wireless CarPlay. That's another great feature that Ram's kind of including nowadays. So you guys would have that. Of course, AC can be done up there in the screen, but you do also have your dual AC controls in a Tradesman. That's not very common, guys. Trailer brake controller, our tow haul mode, our diesel exhaust brake, and some auxiliary switches right there for you. Of course, popping up in here, our nice wheel locks, and then, of course, a nice little USB guy over there. Let's see, any goodies up underneath here? Does this guy flip up like old times? Oh, dang it, no flip up guy. But that's all right, no big deal. Guys, this one's available up here at Victory Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. It's not gonna be here for long, I can assure you of that. My cell phone number is 660-492-5030. Shoot me a text or call and let's put this truck in your company's driveway.